Have you ever wondered what lies beyond the stars? Let me introduce you to Anya, a bright-eyed girl from a small village. Her dreams weren't of grand adventures, but of gazing at the night sky, unraveling the secrets of the universe. One fateful night, a shooting star crashed into the forest behind her house. Guided by her unquenchable curiosity, Anya discovered a pulsating orb of light in a crater. This was Xylo, an extraterrestrial traveler. His spaceship was damaged and he needed Anya's help. In exchange, Xylo offered her a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to join him on a cosmic journey. Anya's heart was torn. The pain of leaving her loved ones was immense, but the allure of the cosmos was irresistible. She made her decision, and with a heavy heart, she bade farewell to her loved ones and boarded Xylo's ship. Their journey took them across galaxies, past nebulae and star clusters. It was an odyssey through the cosmos that surpassed even Anya's wildest dreams. Along the way, Xylo shared his knowledge with her, teaching her the secrets of the universe. She learned about the dance of celestial bodies, the life cycles of stars, and the existence of far-flung alien civilizations. She soaked up this knowledge like a sponge, her mind expanding with each new revelation. In time, Anya became more than just a student. She evolved into a scientist in her own right, making groundbreaking discoveries and contributing to the wealth of cosmic knowledge. She found new planets, deciphered complex cosmic phenomena, and even interacted with alien life forms. Yet, amidst her cosmic explorations, a part of Anya ached for the familiar. She yearned for the rolling hills of her village, the comforting embrace of her family. As she gazed at the distant star system that was her home, a decision crystallized within her. Filled with longing, she decided to return to her home planet. As Anya's ship descended towards her village, a wave of emotions washed over her. The verdant meadows, the rolling hills, the familiar silhouette of her childhood home, everything filled her heart with a profound sense of joy and nostalgia. Landed in the same meadow where her journey had begun, she stepped out, her feet touching the familiar ground once again. The sight of the gleaming spacecraft drew the villagers, their faces mirroring the awe and wonder that once shone in young Anya's eyes. As the sun set, casting a warm glow over the landscape, Anya began to share her experiences. She spoke of galaxies that glittered like diamonds, of alien life forms that challenged their understanding of existence, and of the boundless wonders of the cosmos. The children listened, their eyes wide with wonder, their minds ablaze with curiosity. And thus, under the starry night sky, Anya sowed the seeds of inspiration, paving the way for a new generation of stargazers. Their eyes wide with wonder, they listened as Anya told them tales of her cosmic adventures, inspiring the next generation of stargazers.